Day in the life ng isang STEM student na malapit ng graduate. Hi, Riz! It's me, Ruth V, your senior high school student content creator and a TikTok affiliate with another vlog. So for today's video nga is we are here in school and right now we are going to do a recreational activity for our subject which is MAPE. And thus what you can see, we are doing our first recreational activity which is ang pagsalinhan tubig from plastic cups. Na para team group magdaog is kailangan damo pa it water didit kapit last nga person. Full force na talaga naman pag chineer pero naperdi lagyap kami. But anyway, duwa pa mga activities bubuhatan. Adya, let's keep fighting. So, asya niniti ka duwang activity and then, yeah, nagsasaya hera-kahera nagdaog. Perdi dama kami! I didn't have a chance nga di nga mag-uyos din yung activity pero I'm so lucky pa rin kay di rin naabot nga nin harina nakahimo, diba? Kaya iro nakakaunan harina, tapos nga kaso kahira, like, look at that, nagpulbuhi Danilo. Anyway, right now we are doing our last recreational activity which is group leg race. And this time, sisiguraduhin talaga naman nga kamit first place. And yes, si kami an first. Pero nakalimtan nila magdarahing gunting. Wala na kami kay gigikan kaya naman sige, nakahigot lagyap. Tapos may pa kami third period na siyang kailangan na nang kumad to classroom. Buti na lang may kami mga classmate nga angel sent from heaven. Harang binulig haman pagtanggalan aman si Ken higot. And after hand class, it's time to eat na. Pinalit na kami yung pagkaan. And yes, ang akong pinalit is meatballs. Sorry kasi gulay. Kahit anong hanap ko, wala talaga gulay nga kan nakakata dyan. And this is my friend. Higita kan open yung nakaon. And after ko kuman, it's time to go back to work na naman. It's time to do our survey for our research. So, okay na to na kaming grade 11, grade 12 para mag-survey. And by the way, bis, yadita amon sini Salida. Imago, kindly like and share na lang po dito hit sini Salida page. And that's all for my vlog today, bis. Bye!